Hey, I'm Nika, product lead at Cluade AI. Today, I'll show you how to talk to your data flows in Claude, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, BigQuery, and hundreds of other sources. AI analytics with Claude works best when you connect databases or data flows directly. I'll walk you through the whole process with the Google Ads data flow. One thing first. You need a data flow already created in Cluade AI. Don't know how to create one? Check out our video. Let's go to Claude and do the job. Step 1. Connect Google Ads to Claude. Quick reminder, you'll need a data connector. Open Claude, go to Customize and select Connectors. Choose Cluade AI and click Connect, then Authorize. Don't have the connector yet? Click Browse Connectors and search for Cluade AI. Pick the one with the dark logo. Log into your account and authorize the installation. Configure the permissions as you go. You're ready! But a couple more tweaks in Claude first. That'll get your conversational AI analytics dialed in. Step 2. Projects, skills, and Claude memory. This step matters. A lot of business teams skip it, and they get much worse results using conversational AI. Treat Claude's memory and skills like your own. It pays off. Projects are the first thing to set up. What's a project? A project is a workspace with its own memory, instructions, and knowledge base. Projects share context across chats. That context can be your business, your role, your output format, and more. Why does this matter? Because you can prompt Claude the right way. You give it the right context and the right role. Claude doesn't need to remember everything about your work, it only needs to remember the job to be done. Here's the data analytics project I set up for Claude to analyze data. Separate projects narrow Claude's focus to a specific set of tasks. Once you've created a project, add the project instruction. That instruction covers the AI role, expected tasks, and output guidelines. Skills in Claude are manuals on how to do things. We'll add a marketing analytics skill that I've built. I'll drop the GitHub link in the description, so you can grab it for yourself. Here's the basic structure of the skill. First, discover and select data sources. The number of data flows shapes how you present the selection. You can see it on the screen. Also, instruct Claude to pull data flow details, understand the data, and sample it. Second, compute metrics via SQL. Tell Claude to always compute metrics using structured query language, not arithmetic in context. Third, draft findings and get user feedback. Before the full report, have Claude share a brief summary. The 3 to 5 most important numbers, any anomalies, were the data points. That way you can steer the analysis before it's done. Fourth, build the analysis. Tell Claude to identify the reporting period, main metrics, channel breakdown, and so on. And fifth, present the results. Give instructions on visualization, tables or charts, chart types, executive summary cards. Tell Claude how to structure the results or how to present them for you. Now you're ready to talk to your Google Ads data in Claude. Step 3. Talk to your data in Claude. Let's go to the data analytics project. Say I want to check my campaign performance. Let's see how this works with the added skill. I'll prompt Claude to fetch my campaign performance. Pick the time period, 30 days. Choose overall aggregated for the campaigns. Watch what happens. Claude uses the Cluade AI connector to aggregate and fetch your data. Here's your AI analytics at work. Claude delivers inline analytics just like we instructed. You can check different stats right there. The skill also told Claude to deliver 4 things. Summary stats, data for campaign performance, data per campaign, and trends. Want to connect Facebook ads or BigQuery to Claude for AI analytics? Follow the same steps as with Google Ads. That's it, folks. Want to use Claude with Google Ads for campaign planning, keyword research, or Google Ads copy? Subscribe and check our upcoming videos. See you there!